Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to the most sought after tutorial YouTube channel that we are bringing design tutorials that are going to help you to gain more knowledge regarding designs ranging from ArchiCAD, AutoCAD, and even rendering tutorial videos that we always put up in this platform. So before we proceed to this tutorial video, I want you to kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you may not miss any of our upcoming tutorial videos that we'll be putting up in this particular platform. So in this tutorial video today, I want to show you how you can have an alternative of projecting your designs on various PC versions instead of using the PDF files that most people use to enable them present their designs. In this regard, I want to show you how you can use the snip tool so that you can be able to screenshot your designs and to also project them in a way that is customizable and in a way that is also ideally presentable for reference purposes. So this tutorial here I have an elevation of a design that I've been working on, and for me to give a screenshot of this particular uh, design, the first thing that I'll do is to activate the snip tool, and with that I'm going just to go to the search option, which I'll just type snip. Then the snip tool command will appear, and what I'll do is just I'll click on it, of course, to open it. And then in that particular case, you can see that there's a dialog box that will be coming up. So there are two options. You can simply just try snip and sketch, or you can launch a new snip for that matter, so that can enable you to give a screenshot that you want based on the screen size that you have. So for that matter, I'm going to simply click on new, so that I'll be able to give that particular area that I wish to have a screenshot on. So in this case, I have already prepared my page, and I believe that for this particular workflow, I'm able to uh, rather select the entire area that I want to screenshot. So for this matter, I'll just click on an area and then hold the mouse down, and then I'll simply just cascade it through the particular page that I wish to cover with all the relevant information that I want to see. So once that is done, I'll just release the left hand mouse, and that will be already screencast. So in that regard, as you can see that it's already in my snip docket, and for that matter, I'll just go and save it as any particular name that we wish to have. So I'll decide and save it under download, so I can just save it as say ArchiCAD screenshot, and then I'll save it under downloads. So I believe that will be okay. So I'll go and locate it via my downloads and see if we have whatever we had already made a screenshot. So I'll click on that and wait for it to open. And there we have our screenshot of that particular elevation that we wanted to get, and you can see that it is clearly the same elevation that we had projected, or we had already anticipated to screenshot. So I believe that that will also help you to have an alternative, instead of rather saving your files as PDF files. You can also take screenshots of them and even save them as independent files for your future reference. So I've come to the end of this tutorial video, and once again I will still ask that if you find this tutorial meaningful, please find it in your heart to like, subscribe, and even comment on it down below. And in case of anything that you wish to find more knowledge on, kindly just comment on that particular comment section below, and I'll be able to see and even find a means of helping you. So thank you and have a good time.